Now we're back in New York for the full stack presentations. I'm here with Ashi. Ashi is one of two instructors for the full stack senior phase. And take it away, Ashi. Let's see what we're working on here in New York full stack.
Yeah, thanks, David. Yeah, so we have 10 very exciting projects for you. Our students have been working extremely hard over these last couple of weeks. And really over the last 13 weeks, this is a long, intense program, and emotions start to run pretty high around the end of it, especially the sense of loss that like you've been through this battle almost with all of these people, and now you scatter to the four corners of the earth, and will you ever see each other again? And I think many of the best projects that we see as final projects come from solving a problem that the students are having acutely, and the sense of loss and maintaining community after graduation is a problem that they have acutely. And this next team has aimed to solve it. So please welcome the network.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is John Rauh. These are my teammates, Whirley, Beth Barnes, Gabriel Messenger. We're the team behind the network. The network is a social networking application designed specifically for full stack alumni. We're really excited to show you what we've created, as we know this will be a valuable product for all full stack graduates. I will now pass it off to my colleague Tara for a quick demo.
Thanks, Johnny. This is the mobile version of our app. We created the network to address concerns from classmates about losing contact with students after graduation. This is designed to maintain and build upon valuable relationships created at Full Stack, and to help graduates reach out to alumni in the job searching process. This is our homepage. You can log in using Google. This brings you to our newsfeed, which is filtered by news, meetup, jobs, and forum. You can post links. You can also add comments, view comments. On our meetup, there's a calendar which shows upcoming events. The job section, if you're working at a company as an alumni, you can post if your company's hiring. And on forum, you can add and comment in code snippets. You can also search, filtering by keyword or by username. You can look at all of the alumni. You can view other users' profiles, showing the projects that they're working on, their links to their GitHub and LinkedIn account. You can see on a map where everyone's currently working, and you can filter by cohort, city, and company. I'm now going to pass it on to Beth to talk about our design strategy.
Thanks, Tara. So we designed the network using mobile-first responsive design, which means that we started by designing the app for a small screen, such as an iPhone, and then we expanded the design to work on larger screens, such as a desktop. So we chose this approach over graceful degradation, which is the traditional way of designing a website for desktop, and then as the viewport becomes smaller and the system simpler, taking away features and functionality. So we also designed it as a progressive web app, which means that Android users can actually download the network and access it from their home screen as if it were a mobile app. So we also configured service workers so users can access some of the functionality and the features even while they're offline. So we decided to go with mobile first and progressive web app because today more and more web traffic is moving from the desktop to mobile, and we wanted to ensure that our users could have the best possible experience on the network regardless of the device that they're using. So I'll now pass it off to Gabriel to talk about our backend.
Thank you, Beth. So for our backend, we decided to use Firebase. Our database was built using Firestore, which is a real-time and NoSQL database. The great thing about it is that we didn't need any Redux store or socket services when a new post is created, for example. We use Firebase authentication, so our users have the choice to log in anonymously or using their Gmail account. We would like to add login with GitHub and Facebook in the future. For hosting, the network is following best practices by using CDNs and HTTPS. Everyone on our team was able to deploy to production at least once using the Firebase command line tool. Finally, we use Firebase storage to offer fast and reliable uploads, as well as keeping our users' media secure. I'm now going to pass it on to Johnny to talk about the API we used.
Thanks, Gabriel. So we utilized two specific third-party APIs to enhance our user interface. We use Google Places so that users are able to easily input their work address within their profile. In addition, we use Google Maps API so that users are able to locate other full stack alumni based on their location anywhere in the world. In conclusion, I'd like to invite everyone here, all full stack graduates and upcoming graduates, to join us on thefsnetwork.com and stay connected to the community you all help build. Thank you.
Wow, very. If you'd like to vote for the network, like the post, like the pinned comment. It's in my longtime dream that a team would build something like exactly like that, and it looks so polished too, right out the gates. So
Yeah, they really took it and made it like a productionized. Like,
yeah,
that thing is still going to be up in a year, which is amazing, I think.
I know.
Finally, social networking app that I'm gonna use.
Yeah, are we allowed to I'm installing it right now. I'm downloading it right now. It's really cool.
Facebook, join that. Join the network.
Yeah,
It's
I
kind
love
of
the name.
ominous, though.
Love the name.
Delete Facebook, join
Network.
FS Network. Yeah.
Yeah.